Yeah, the video today is about using a mouse on the ftdx101D. As you can see, I've put it in one of the ports here, and underneath there's two. Let's just take this out for a second. Yeah, there's two. So I usually have a keyboard on that, but I'm using that for logging at the moment. It's only a cheap one, and this is the mouse. And this is the mouse. It's like I say, it's only a cheap setup. This I just got it off eBay. I'm going to get a stand and I'll show you what the mouse can do. It's got good control on the 101. One second. That it's in a stand, and yeah, you can see the mouse there. Yeah, so the control of the 101. We'll start off with the waterfall. Let's go to this signal here. It seems quite strong. Yeah, I've changed the waterfall on it. So let's click on the top, and you can just fine tune it in. Now you can turn this volume down. So you can do this on the 706, 7300, because obviously you can touch screen it. You can use the VFO for moving it. Obviously you can touch the screen. I've done it again and I changed the waterfall, so you can change it, but you can also change it with the mouse. So yeah, I don't use it very often, I must admit, but yeah, it's handy when you're sitting back, but especially when I've got a bigger monitor on as well. I'm just doing this on the radio at the moment. But the difference between the 101 and other radios, except it's a full SDR radio like the Sun. I've got a Sun, and obviously Flex and An, etc. But you can actually change everything else on it. So for instance, your antenna, you can change your antenna to different things. You can put your attenuator on and off, IPO. So you can use you can't just use the stuff in the waterfall. You could even do the stuff at the bottom of it. That's the 3D scope, which I'm not a fan of, to be fair. So everything else, so you can expand. That's what I'm saying. There's so much you can do with the mouse. You can even change the frequency. So if you click on the frequency, see it flashing. I won't change the frequency. I want to stay on 40. But yeah, there's more use you can get out of a 101. Like I said, the only other thing that's better than this is an SDR radio. But for me personally, the 101, it's in between both worlds. You can change so much on the screen with the touch of the mouse. It's ridiculous. I'm running the wheel here to fine tune this, but yeah, I've just come off the Sun. So yeah, you get better at it as you go along. So, but jumping up and down the band, let's turn this volume down again. It's quick and easy. So there's a signal down here, you just jump down, and obviously there's a signal up here. You want to get that one, you jump up. So just a quick review of what the mouse can do. And like I said, what I actually prefer on it is the it's not just the waterfall you can do with the mouse. You can do different things, your filters, etc., your AGCs. It's a much better machine, a lot better way of doing it than other radios. Now, leave in the comments, I'm presuming that the FT710 will be exactly the same. But I know why it comes. It's just the waterfall. You can jump up and down the bands with the mouse. But yeah, obviously I think you can use the keyboard as well on a 7300, 7610. But yeah, I use the keyboard with this as well. Obviously for RTTY, and the different digital modes that it can do. But I also use it for CW. I use my macros to send the 599, etc, etc, but I leave one empty and I can type into that macro and then send it. It's a lazy way of doing it. Send the report, or what question, or to elaborate on what your QSO with the person you're working. But yeah, it's a good thing. So yeah, it's just a quick one, just showing you the mouse on the icon, not the icon, the yaesu ftdx101D, and yeah, it's a smashing piece of kit. 73G0 DTX. Bye bye for now.
Tuning in from far and wide, signals buzzing, sparks inside.